And are the towels cooled down now? Okay, we're going to take them off. See, this is another way of washing the client's hands again, keeping everything clean, right? I want to make sure you're not all gritty. And I want to dry them. I'll get you to lift your arm, make sure they're dry. And we're going to proceed on to, I'm going to put cuticle oil around your cuticles, and we're going to, let me put a dry towel here. There we go. And now we're going to put cuticle oil, because we want to moisturize those cuticles, right? And we're going to soak them in our manicure dishes, right? This all helps to soften those cuticles, because we're going to be working on them. We're going to be gently pushing them back. So that's why we want to soften them. And I'm going to bring over my manicure dishes. And can you just test it a little, make sure they're not too hot? Is that good? Okay, and you put your fingers in there with the oil, right? And we're just going to soak them, right?